In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your MacBook Neo. So if you prefer a bigger and louder Bluetooth speaker, then here's what to do. Now, depending on the brand of your Bluetooth speaker, turn it on. The process could be slightly different from speaker to speaker. So I'm going to turn mine on, and then I'm going to put it in pairing mode. And to put it in pairing mode, all I have to do is press the pairing button a couple of times. For some time. And when it's in pairing mode like that, I can now go to my MacBook Neo, go to the control center icon right here, click on that, and then select Bluetooth, click on that little arrow, and then click on Bluetooth settings. That's going to open up your Bluetooth settings. Now it's going to immediately start scanning for devices. And as you can see, it's already detected this Xiaomi Sound Pocket, which is the name of this Bluetooth speaker. All you have to do now is click on connect. And it's been detected because it was in pairing mode. Now once it's connected, we're good to go. It says connected. You can even see the battery percentage right there. And now if I intend to play some kind of music or something, all I have to do is make sure the sound output device is set to that Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to start by closing this. Then you want to go back to that control center right there. Click on that and then go to sound. Click on the little arrow and make sure the sound output is set to your Bluetooth speaker. It could be still on your MacBook speakers, so make sure you set it to your Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching and good luck.